Okay, good morning, students. Today I am going to teach in Pedagogy 1 and 2, Semester 4, that is SLM, Self Learning Material, Unit 2.2, including all pedagogies and also physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, and commerce. First of all, come to know what is SLM. As you know that SLM means self learning materials, any teaching resource that can be used by learner without the presence of a teacher called SLM. As you know that without the presence of a teacher, then without the help of a teacher, using materials, initial thinking called SLM. Here in this method, students are going to learn by himself only or by a group. Okay, examples of SLM are textbook, discussion with friends, source book for extra knowledge, photos for self concept, chart for imagination, model for self thinking, puzzle, quiz, allocations to improve their knowledge. The students can learn by self or discussing with their friends are called SLM. Come to the concept. It help for self learning, activating desire, then it is help for developing new ideas, then it help for create self thinking, competitive learning, then it help for establish a relationship like learning by doing. Come to the importance. Here some of the importance will be there. First, it give clear information, then clear image, experience, positive transfer of learning. Then second importance, it save energy and time. Then third, it develop interest, ideas of self learning, reading, solving problems, mental ability, then spread education on mass media. It bring reality in classroom situations, because you already know that students will be learn 70% by visual, 20% by audio, then 10% by motor skills. In examinations, as asking explain the steps of writing SLM with examples. These are the 7 steps are there for SLM. First, selecting subject, then second, particular concept, then planning, preparation, learning, evaluation, and lastly, result. Here, selecting subject. Students group can be select the subject depending upon their interest. Okay, then particular concept, come to know the details of that subject. Then planning, by grouping method, by playway method, by discussion method, the students will plan. Then come to preparation, by self or by group also. Learning, to understand and self learning process. Then evaluation, by short answer, diagram, quiz, speech, fill in the blanks, one word questions. And lastly, the result is the 7th step after completing 6 steps. Steps with examples. Here I have given one example of self learning method. So here, name, standard, roll number, subject, time, name of the schools. First, come to the selecting subject. Here are students of 9th standards. We are selecting a subject. Subject is science, then chemistry, standard 9th, topic metals and non-metals. Come to the particular concept to know the properties of a metal and non-metal. Then step 3, planning. From all the students, making to group A and B and discuss about the topics metal and non-metal. Come to the preparation. Making two groups A and B. Then group A, telling the name of metals: copper, oil, silver, gold. Then group B, telling the name of non-metals: oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen and iodine. Here in fifth steps the learning method will be: first group A, then group B. Group A will ask a questions on metals only, then group B telling the answers. First, the surface of a metal are sharp or not, they are telling yes, it is a sharp. Then they occur in the form of solid, liquid or gases, they are telling solid, liquid. They are good or bad conductors of electricity, they will telling good conductors. Then making plating or not, making plating. Then can we see easily? Yes. If we burn means it will be hot or cold, really they are telling hot. Then they are soft or hard, they are telling hard. Then same, the group will be changed. Group will be asked some questions to group A on non-metal. The surface of a non-metals are no surface. They are occur in the form of solid, liquid or gases. They are telling mostly gases. Then come to the third questions of group B. They are good or bad conductors. They are telling bad conductors. Then whether they are available easy or not, no. Then can we see easily? No. If we burns means they can burn, no. They are soft or hard, neither soft or hard. After discussing by groups, come to the part of evaluation. Metals having shining surface. Mercury is a metal of in the form of liquid. Then bromium is non-metal. Gold is good conductor of electricity. Non-metals are occur in the form of gases. Come to the result. All students are come to know the properties of metal and non-metal. It is an example, first example of a SLN. Come to another example on physics. You have to write name, standard, roll number, subject, topic, time, name of the schools. Here some of the students are selecting in science subject physics, that is electricity, subject science, standard 9th, topic electricity. Then come to second step, particular concept, to know the components and symbols of electricity, planning, making group A and B. Then preparation, group A tell the components, group B tell the symbols. Then learning, this method is by learning by discussion method. Come to the examples. Again they are making two groups. Group A will components, ask the symbols. Can you see cell? Yes. Then second, what is the symbol of battery? They are telling. Then come to third questions. Can you see the battery? Yes. Can you see switch? They are showing the figures. Can you see the symbol of open switch? Then it, how it will close? Then they are showing that diagram or symbol. Symbol of electric bulb they shown. Then symbol of resistance they also show that ammeter, voltmeters. Then wire joint they are showing the symbols. Come to the evaluation part. Here evaluation is simple. Then group B asking ammeter, V, battery. Then match the following questions in the form of ammeters, then D, then battery they are showing symbol, cell, voltmeter, resistance and wire gauge. From that they are showing these type of symbols. Hence, all the students give the correct answer. Then step 7, all the students are come to know the symbol of electricity by discussion method. It is a simple method. In examinations, they are going to ask a questions like name any four SLM, what are SLM, explain the steps for writing SLM with examples, then write an essay on SLM with respect to concept, importance, type, what are SLM, explain its important. It is a short questions may be asked in examination. Okay, thank you.